Weche motende koda siro somo mag jopuonjre madhi mbalariany wang'ie mudho ma okwako kata mosebedo kokwako Mwangaza ma en gavana mar kaunti ma Meru. Gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza odhi nyime gi kwedo ketho duto ma itudego e nyim od bura mar Senate. Mwangaza wacho ni weche ma MCAs tudego gin mag miriambo kendo ne ok owinjore gi thiche oko ya PC. Senator Zigeno ne dhi goyo ombulu kawuono mar yiero ka Mwangaza dhi pacho kata oyo. Awinjane kaka weche dhi nyime sani od bura mar Senate Nyakora Mongi.
The same individual?
Not at all.
Not at all. Finally, on that issue, Madam Governor, what are your sentiments towards the family of the late sniper? Because it has been argued that you have not made any utterances or directed your feelings towards the family. What would you say? And have you even done that previously?
I did it previously, and I also repeat them. I'm sorry about the family. And in fact, I'm the one that got out of my way to ask justice for the same family. This is a young family that maybe is not all that much able. And the reason as to why I want to media to give my stand is that I saw a lot of kind of mishandling the same family, stealing from the same family, doing it for politics and not to assist the same family.
Your utterances in that press statement, were they directed at the family or to whom were they directed?
My utterances were directed to the general public of Meru.
Thank you. Let us go to the last count of abuse of office. And you have been accused of employing a bloated workforce. Did you stand before the Senate last year and answer to the same charges?
Yes, I was here for the same charges.
Were you found guilty of those charges?
Not guilty.
A list was produced here of the names that you have purported employed. Was it the same list that was produced last year, purporting that you had a bloated workforce?
It was the same list that was brought here.
Thank you. You have also been... Let me go back to the issue of paying Kiambi Christas Manyara. You have been accused of not taking any disciplinary action against the said individual despite him facing criminal charges. Do you have powers to take disciplinary action against an individual who has been accused of any criminal offense as a governor?
I don't believe I have any powers to do that.
Who should take disciplinary action in your understanding? Who should take disciplinary action in your understanding?
I think the County Public Service Board.
To the best of your knowledge, has that issue been brought to the attention of the County Public Service Board for their attention?
The issue has not been brought to the County Public Service Board, and if there is any, maybe they could have informed me.
Thank you. We also watched clips by the mover of the motion touching on two main issues. One is the issue of the death of certain cows within your county, where 20 cows had...
Nyakora Mongi kama nika weche chalo e od bura mar Senate kama Kawira Mwangaza ipenjo to duoko mipenje kotenre kod moko kuom seyo momiyo od bura mar kaunti ma